Perfect. So here we are. Okay. So welcome to the channel, Emadmaths, everyone on the stream. Okay. So आज बात करेंगे हम लोग चैप्टर 1 के बारे में. उससे पहले लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द क्लासेस टाइमिंग. क्लास 9th का जो टाइमिंग होगा वो सैटरडे संडे 4 PM होगा. इट विल बी अराउंड 1.5 आवर्स. और एक अलग क्लास होगा एक्स्ट्रा दैट विल बी टेकिंग, जो आप सबके साथ डिस्कस करके विल डिसाइड आइदर फ्राइडे को विच टाइम और वेडनेसडे विच टाइम. ओके, हम लोग डिसाइड करेंगे एंड देन विल गो हेड. क्लियर? चलो, सुपर. I'll take it up in Aisha into the stage, or let her also be in outside stage so that the screen would be full. Superb. So let's start. So please keep interacting in the chat so that it would be a quite interacting session. Okay, I'll be starting with chapter number 1. In most of the school in class 9, they start number system or the polynomial. Before polynomial, I feel like number system needs a very important place. So let's begin, guys. ओके, सो हम यहाँ पे कवर करने वाले हैं. देयर आर 5 टॉपिक्स ओवर हियर. ओके, irrational number, real number and their decimal expansions, again number line, then there would be operations on real number, and there will be laws of exponent for real numbers. मोस्टली मैं इंग्लिश में पढ़ाता हूँ तो थोड़ा मेरा मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ड्स विल कम इन इंग्लिश, बट हाँ कोशिश करूँगा हिंदी का. ओके, सो सबसे पहले बहुत ही एक रनिंग वे में हम चलते हैं एक बेसिक के ऊपर जो मैंने अपने बेसिक सेशन में बताया था. ओके, द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ नंबर वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज इट. इनटू द चैट फास्ट, फटाफट बताइए आप लोग, बहुत ही फास्ट. नेचुरल नंबर, वेरी गुड. दीज आर नेचुरल नंबर. गुड प्रणवी, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज whole number. Okay, what about this? We also call, what about this? In ISA, integer. No, integer, basically they are integer. It's not a no. They're also known as integer. These are negative numbers. Okay, these are negative numbers. These are the whole domain of first, second and third. We call it as integers. Okay, and what about these numbers? As we know that कि जो सारे नंबर्स होते हैं उनके डिनोमिनेटर 1 होते हैं बाय डिफॉल्ट, सो इट इज अ रैशनल नंबर. ओके, ग्रुप ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स को वी डिनोट बाय क्यू. ठीक है, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट. बहुत ही ब्रीफ ओवरव्यूज हम लोग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सो आई विल गो विथ दिस वन. फटाफट आपको बताना है, कैटेगराइज करना है यहाँ पे. लेट मी गो टू द ब्लैक पेन. जस्ट गिव मी 1 सेकंड. लेट मी मेक इट माय पेन एज ब्लैक. परफेक्ट. सो देयर आर फ्यू नंबर्स. 1.7, 3.8, 3/5, 4/7, √2, √4, √7. चलो, let's categorize all these numbers fast. 1.7, what kind of number it is? Is it a rational number? I'll ask from Lehar maybe. Okay, Lehar, go ahead. 1.7, what is it? Is it a rational number? Yes or no? No. Is it not a rational number as per Lehar? Okay. Okay. Anyone else? 1.7 is a rational number or not? Inaisha saying yes. Okay. Pranavi? No. Okay. Okay, so now see, this is why you are here. Okay, because जिस तरीके से मैं पढ़ाने वाला हूं आप सबको, आप सबकी बेसिक्स तो बिल्कुल हिलेगी नहीं इन द फ्यूचर क्लास 10th में, एटलीस्ट फॉर टाइम बिंग. ओके, 1.7 इज अ रैशनल नंबर. ओके, नाउ आई गेस इन आयशा इसलिए बता पा रही है बिकॉज शी नोज ऑल्सो, बट ओवरऑल लेट्स से व्हाई इट इज अ रैशनल नंबर. सबसे पहले रैशनल नंबर का फॉर्म क्या होता है? कोई भी नंबर को हम p by q के फॉर्म में कर देते हैं, और p and q both should be integers and q should not be equal to 0. So 1.7 को आप 17/10 लिख सकते हो, राइट? जब 1.7 को आप 17/10 लिख सकते हो, वो p by q के फॉर्म में है, और सेकेंडली डिनोमिनेटर उसका 0 भी नहीं है, और दोनों में से कोई भी कॉमन टर्म्स नहीं है जिसपे अपार्ट फ्रॉम 1. Okay, that's why it is a rational number. Is it clear, everyone? सारे डेसिमल रैशनल नंबर नहीं होते हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम रैशनल नंबर होते हैं, और वो जो कैटेगराइजेशन है वो मैं बताऊंगा. ओके, आई टेल यू एवरीवन. Perfect. Good. Got it. So, Lahar and Pranavi, you were wrong, but you'll never be wrong again. All decimals are rational numbers, except few of the cases, which I'll be telling you in the further classes. Okay? Chalo. 3/5, 4/7, these two. Rational number? Rational number? Yes. Absolutely yes. Yes, buddy, yes. These are rational number. What about root 2? Come on, root 2. What about root 2, everyone? Is it a rational number? It is an irrational number, in Aisha. Irrational number. Okay? Someone else? I guess the answer from Pranavi and Leher and the all other live chats also. Let's go to the live chat comments also. Let's see what's the comments. Sushila is saying no. I guess, Sushila. So this is a irrational number. You are correct. It's not a rational number. Okay? Perfect. Now, let's talk about root 4. Is it a rational number, irrational number, what it is? Everyone on the chat of a live stream and with the private people. Irrational number says Pranavi. So Pranavi says irrational number. Okay, anyone else? और कौन है? It will be a very fun class. Okay, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं, माइंड से एकदम सब कुछ निकाल दो. अगर कुछ नहीं आता है तो सोचो कि थैंक गॉड नहीं आता है, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न दैट. ठीक है? और कोई? लेट्स सी इन द कमेंट व्हाट द कमेंट इज. इरैशनल. सुशीला ने भी बोला इसको इरैशनल. सुपर्ब. और कोई? इनायशा एंड लहर. सुशीला ने भी इसे इरैशनल कहा है. Okay, everyone is saying irrational. Wow, I am very surprised. I am literally surprised. See, root 4 is a perfect square. Okay, 4 is a perfect square. So जब ये perfect square हो जाएगा तो root 4 का value 2 होता है. क्या अब भी ये rational number है कि irrational number है? You are getting the point, guys? Everyone? Yes, it's a rational number. तो सिर्फ रूट देख के दौड़ नहीं जाना है. अगर रूट के अंदर कुछ भी लिखा हुआ है, सपोज 7-3 लिखा हुआ है, तो आंख बंद करके नहीं बोलना है कि इट्स इरैशनल नंबर. यू हैव टू फर्स्ट सिंप्लीफाई एंड सी वेदर इट्स गेटिंग इनटू समथिंग कॉल्ड परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. इन क्लास 8 आपका एक प्रॉपर चैप्टर था स्क्वायर्स एंड स्क्वायर रूट, राइट? ओके, सुशीला, यू आल्सो क्लियर इन द लाइव स्ट्रीम? परफेक्ट, गुड. This is a rational number. And root 7 is a rational number itself. Or not? It's an irrational number. It's not a perfect square. Clear? Good. So we have conquered this whole basket except this number. We are going for this number. Okay? और यही नंबर पे एक complete topic है NCERT में. If I talk about और books के बारे में आप सबको बता दे कि इट्स नहीं, आपके स्कूल में शायद आर एस अग्रवाल एज ए सेकेंड बुक फॉलो करता होगा या फिर आर डी शर्मा. इट डजंट मैटर. ओके, जो भी मैं पढ़ाऊंगा इट वुड बी एवरीथिंग कवर्ड. सबसे पहली बात. और दूसरी बात ये है कि जो प्रैक्टिस सेशंस है हमारे, उसमें आपको सब तरीके के क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे. ओके, तो चलो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड एंड लेट्स डिस्कस. लेट मी डुप्लीकेट इट अप एंड लेट्स डिस्कस दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. ओके, 3.8, राइट? 3.8 बार. अब उसके लिए चलते एक हम यहाँ पे कैटेगरीज में. सबसे पहले अगर हम डेसिमल को कैटेगराइज करते हैं, इफ यू कैटेगराइज ऑल दिस थिंग, डेसिमल्स दो तरीके के होते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज टर्मिनेटिंग एंड सेकंड वन इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. टर्मिनेटिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? टर्मिनेटिंग मीन्स दैट जो खत्म हो जाता हो, जो एंड हो जाता हो. सपोज 3/2, इसे हम डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो इट्स 1.5 और ये रुक जाता है. It stops over there. It doesn't go beyond this. So it is terminating. Clear? Okay. If I talk about non-terminating, it's something कि ये खत्म ही नहीं होता है. It will keep on repeating until infinite. So what is the value of this? 0.333333. Even Vatsala is there now. 0.33333. Okay, superb, guys. Now, so what about this? Is it a rational number or not? Tell me, come on in the chats. Is it a rational number? Is it a rational number or non-rational number? Inaisha is saying yes. Others, Vatsala in the chat. I can take Inaisha and Vatsala in the uh, voice chat as well because they are compatible. Okay. So rational. Pranavi is also saying rational. Very good. Chat. So Vatsala, what is it? It is 0.33. What do you feel? You can unmute yourself and say. Leher is saying
I
yes.
think it's a rational number.
Very good. It is a rational number. Why? Because eventually, if we see, it is 1/3. Right? Yeah, 1/3 को तोड़ के we are getting into 0.3333. Now, so terminating and non-terminating is clear. Now, the terminating is divided into two categories. Okay, if you can see here, one is recurring and one is non-recurring. Now, recurring का मतलब क्या होता है? What we mean by recurring is this is a recurring example. Okay, this is a very good example of recurring. 0.33, it's reoccurring. And non-recurring is something which is for the time being 1.72142508. It means it's not repeating. What it means? It's not repeating. ठीक है, ये repeat नहीं करता है. It doesn't repeat after some time the way this was repeating. Okay, so non-recurring means, for example, let's go into the recurring first. You will understand non-recurring as well. Okay, so recurring has two forms: pure forms and the mixed form. Okay, let me change my syntaxes. Now you can see the recurring pure. Now if the number is 1.34 bar, the meaning of this is the 3/4 part is going to repeat. Okay, so it's non-terminating and recurring. The next is 1.34 bar. So now tell me, is it a non-terminating and recurring still, or it has become non-recurring? Anyone in the chat, anyone in the voice? It's your call. 1.34 bar. The difference between these two is the bar is only on the 4. In Isa is saying recurring, Pranavi is saying recurring. Very good. It is also a recurring, but the exam number is like this. Okay, so difference between these two is after decimal, when everything is recurring, जब भी डेसिमल के बाद सारे ही नंबर रिपीट कर रहे हैं, उसे हम बोलते हैं प्योर फॉर्म ऑफ रिकरिंग. ओके, वो प्योर फॉर्म होता है. दिस इज अ प्योर फॉर्म, द फर्स्ट वन इफ आई से हियर. एंड द सेकंड वन इज मिक्स्ड फॉर्म. क्यों मिक्स्ड फॉर्म है? क्योंकि इसमें सारे डिजिट, not all the digits are getting recurred. Okay, it's not repeating, only one particular part of number is repeating, not everything is repeating. So it is a mixed form. Clear everyone, guys? Any doubt till here? Please ask. Inaisha, Vatsala, Leher, Pranavi, any doubt? Please ask. आज के बाद डाउट का मौका नहीं देंगे फिर. ओके, यू विल बी लाइक कि दोबारा डाउट्स नहीं पूछना. ओके, सो फाइन. चलो, नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. नाउ अभी हम लोग इसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर पढ़ने वाले हैं. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू कवर अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट topic which is converting these recurring and non-terminating into P by Q form. Why? Because these are rational numbers, and when we say it is rational number, it can always get into the form of P by Q. वो हमेशा ही P by Q के फॉर्म पे होगा. ठीक है, चलिए अभी स्टेप्स जानते हैं. मैंने दो नंबर यहाँ पे यूज किया था. आई हैव यूज्ड 1.34 एंड 1.34. चलो, so left one is pure form and the right one is mixed form. So सबसे पहला स्टेप ये है, स्टेप 1. ओके, सबसे पहला स्टेप ये है कि सबसे पहले डिसाइड करें कि जो नंबर है, द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज whether to find out the number is either pure or mixed. If it is a pure, so check for pure and impure form, pure or mixed, check. Okay, if it is a pure, go for next step which I'll be telling you. मैं थोड़ा धीरे पढ़ा रहा हूं बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. 9th क्लास का सिलेबस 5 महीने में कंप्लीट हो सकता है. ठीक है, कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. एंड द वे वी विल बी टीचिंग, और आप लोग पढ़ोगे और प्रैक्टिस अगर करोगे तो 5 महीने में आप लोग फिर टॉपर बन जाओगे मैथ्स में. और वो बिलीव करना पड़ेगा अपने आप के ऊपर. ठीक है, मुझे तो है, आई बिलीव दैट. ओके, चलिए. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज, सबसे पहले चेक करेंगे कि वो प्योर है कि मिक्स्ड है. अगर प्योर है तो आगे के स्टेप में चलेंगे. अगर वो मिक्स्ड है तो क्या करेंगे, उसको पहले प्योर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, ये स्टेप क्लियर है सबको? पहला स्टेप एकदम क्लियर है? पुट ऑन टू द चैट यस. आई विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. जो वॉइसेस में है वो थोड़ा इजीली मुझे हेल्प कर सकते हैं यस बोल के. ठीक है, ओके, विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. लेट्स डुप्लीकेट द नेक्स्ट. Let me duplicate it more so that I won't get a problem. Sure. Now I'll quickly go into the, I'll start with mixed form number. ठीक है, so to convert this into pure form, can anybody tell me इसका प्योर फॉर्म आप कैसे विजुअलाइज कर सकते हो? हाउ कैन यू विजुअलाइज अ प्योर फॉर्म? इट कैसा हो सकता है? मतलब अपने दिमाग से आप सोचिए, क्या 1 पॉइंट कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है या कुछ ऐसा? आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग अ हिंट फ्रॉम यू गाइस. लेट्स सी कौन क्या सोच सकता है. कैसे इसको प्योर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है? व्हाट यू फील? 1.344 नहीं, वो तो इम्प्योर, वो तो मिक्स्ड फॉर्म ही है. नायशा, someone else? Vatsala, you in the chat, you in the voice, can you suggest something? कैसे इसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं?
No, sir.
नो, ओके, फाइन, सुपर. चलिए, अगर ये नंबर ऐसे होता, सो कैन यू टेल इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई 10 to it, what will happen? If it's like 1.34 only, if you multiplying it by 10, what it would become? Anyone?
134.
134? Are you sure? Think of it. Inasa, hey, come on, man. Why 3.4? Where the one gone? Huh? Pranavi came with something very special. 1340. Wow. No problem, man. All wrong answers are welcome. Let's laugh on each other. Even when I do mistake, let's laugh and learn forever. Okay. If I multiply it by 10, it's a class 5 concept. A decimal shift by number of 0 present here. Okay. So it will become 13.4. Finally, Leher said and Vatsala also said correctly. So good. Cheers, guy. Okay. Let me delete it up now. Perfect. ठीक है, होता है मिस्टेक्स, बड़े बड़े देश में छोटी छोटी गलतियां होती रहती है, सो लेट्स इग्नोर. So same if we multiply, suppose x is equal to 1.34 bar. If we multiply 10 on both side, on both side, so what will be my equation becomes? Everyone फटाफट क्या बन जाएगा ये इक्वेशन अगर मैं दोनों ही तरफ 10 ऐड करता हूं? If I add 10 on both sides, if I add 10 on both side, क्या हो जाएगा इसका आंसर? 10x हो जाएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. वेरी गुड. व्हाट अबाउट द राइट हैंड साइड? वो कौन बताएगा? वेरी गुड लहर. 1 पॉइंट सॉरी 13 पॉइंट. you I made 13 so bad. Good. It becomes 13.4 bar. यहां तक सबको क्लियर है? अब ये मिक्स फॉर्म में लग रहा है कि नहीं? अब ये प्योर फॉर्म में लग रहा है कि नहीं? नाउ इट इज लुकिंग लाइक अ प्योर फॉर्म और नॉट? एवरीवन क्लियर? Yes, perfect. I'll give few questions to, one is Pranavi, one is Vatsala, one is Leher, and one is Inaisha. Okay, and the chat person is also there. If you want, you can join over there. You can solve any of these questions in the chat. Okay. Okay, so x is equal to 123.45 bar, 1.1234. For Leher, it's 35.1201, and for Inaisa, it is like 1010.101. Convert everyone, all of these numbers into a pure form. Or before even that, tell me. Okay, you can convert it up. Let's try it up. Okay, let's try. इन सारे ही नंबर को आपको कन्वर्ट करना है प्योर फॉर्म में एंड पुट इनटू द चैट, एंड ऑल्सो कि कैसे आप इसको कन्वर्ट करोगे. ठीक है, देखो मेरे क्लास में आई वुड हैव सॉल्व एवरीथिंग एंड टोल्ड यू यार. ओके, दैट्स अ वेरी इजी मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग कि पूरा सॉल्व किया, पूरा बता दिया, बट आई नीड एफर्ट फ्रॉम यू गाइस. ठीक है, तो मेरी टीचिंग ये है, थोड़ा आई एम बिट हार्श ऑन यू, बट दैट इज हाउ यू गाइस विल इंप्रूव इन योर मैथ्स. ओके, so please deal with it. 123.45 where 5 is repeating, 1.1234 where 3 and 4 are the repeating terms. Leher, it's 35.1201 where 01 is repeating, and Inaisa is 1010.101 where only 1 is repeating. Convert all into a pure form. So Vatsala is done. So her answer is 112.34. Very good. Superb. So what she is saying, 112.34. Very good. To achieve this, Vatsala, you must have multiplied. You have to multiply by 100, right? Now next, Pranvi, Leher, Inaisha, कहाँ हो? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. इसमें लॉजिक तो नहीं है, कुछ मैजिक भी नहीं है, वेरी बेसिक है. अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो कमेंट दैट कि बॉस या सर मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, आप बता दो तो आई कैन हेल्प यू. प्रणवी 12.345. बेटा द डेसिमल इज रॉन्ग. ओके, गो हेड, ट्राई अगेन. Okay, try again. The decimal is wrong, beta. No point. Okay, no point. Pranavi is saying no point. Okay, fine. Still it's wrong because I wanted you to convert into a pure form. ठीक है, लहर ने बोला है 568. क्या है ये 5689? कहाँ है लहर का 5689? ये क्या है? ये है क्या यार? मैंने तो यहाँ पे 35.1201 दिया है, राइट? 5689 क्या था? I couldn't understand, sorry. Correct. Yes, Pranavi. Now you are right. Very good. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस। मैं आपको सारे आंसर खुद ही बता देता, बट फिर तो वो मैं खुद पढ़ के चल जाऊंगा, राइट? इफ आई वुड टेल एवरीथिंग डायरेक्टली देन मैं आई विल बिकम मोर इंटेलिजेंट, यू गाइज विल बिकम जस्ट हाँ ठीक है हो गया क्लास। यू हैव टू डू विथ मी ऑल्सो। वेरी गुड। ओके, 5 वुड बी रिपीटिंग प्रणवी। क्लियर? सो लहर ने जो बताया, सो फॉर लहर इट वुड बी 3512.01. For Inaisha, ना इनायशा ना, इट वुड बी 10। सिंपल है, डॉट जो है वो यहां तक आने चाहिए। जो रिपीटिंग टर्म्स है, सीधा लॉजिक सोचो, जो रिपीटिंग टर्म है उसको छोड़ के उसके बगल में डॉट लगाना है। यू जस्ट हैव टू पुट अ डॉट जस्ट लेफ्ट टू द रिपीटिंग टर्म, दैट्स इट। कुछ इसमें दिमाग नहीं लगाना है, ठीक है? प्योर फॉर्म वो होता है जिसके डेसिमल के राइट हैंड साइड पे सारे टर्म्स रिपीटिंग हो रहे हो। सो आंख बंद करके भी अगर कोई भी नंबर आ गया, डेसिमल के राइट साइड में सब कुछ रिपीट होना चाहिए, दैट्स इट। एवरीवन क्लियर? मैं बहुत बेसिक चीज में बहुत टाइम ले रहा हूं, बिकॉज एक क्वेश्चन भी अगर बेसिक 100% क्लियर हो जाएगा ना, आपका खत्म। डिवीजन वी हैव डू और नॉट, नहीं डिवीजन क्या, नहीं लहर, डिवाइड नहीं करना है बेटा। देखो चलो प्रणवी के क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं। यहाँ पे यहां से यहां आने के लिए हमें 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। वत्सला के केस में वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100। लहर का आंसर ये, लहर दिस इज द आंसर, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100। ओके, एंड इन आयशा यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 अगेन। तभी जाके ये डेसिमल यहां से 2 स्पेस में शिफ्ट होगा, यहां से डेसिमल 2 स्पेस पे शिफ्ट हो रहा है, और यहां से भी डेसिमल 2 स्पेस में शिफ्ट हो रहा है। यहां पे सिर्फ सिंगल स्पेस में शिफ्ट करना है, ठीक है? आंसर इसका कुछ नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग कि शिफ्टिंग कैसी होनी चाहिए और बेसिक्स कैसा होना चाहिए, इसके बाद ही हम इसको यूज करना है। एक बार प्योर फॉर्म में आ गया देन यू गेट द आंसर, ठीक है? आगे बढ़े हम, इतना तक क्लियर है? आर यू गाइज ओके? डाउट है तो प्लीज पूछो। एक यस बोलो एंड विल प्रोसीड। सर व्हाट इज द आंसर? अरे आंसर बताऊंगा मैं, आंसर ये भी नहीं है, ये जस्ट एज अ स्टेप है जो हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। ओके, नो डाउट्स, वेरी गुड, गो अहेड। अगर किसी को भी कोई डाउट है प्लीज आस्क, शर्माना मत, ठीक है? आई एम नॉट अ गेस्ट, बट सर इनायशा विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 10 बिकॉज बार इज ऑन 1। नो, वेरी गुड, यही तो डाउट चाहिए मुझे। वेरी गुड। सी, इनायशा को देखो, नंबर इज 1010.101, ये बात सिर्फ 1 के ऊपर है, राइट? लेकिन ये डेसिमल को यहां से यहां जाना होगा तभी ये प्योर फॉर्म बनेगा, है कि नहीं? इट हैज टू शिफ्ट फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस टू दिस प्लेस, और इसके बीच में 2 डिजिट है, यानी कि 2 जीरो वाले नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ठीक है? लहर, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? हमें ये नहीं देखना है कि बार कितने नंबर पे, हमें ये देखना है कि कितने नंबर दूर वो बार प्रेजेंट है, ताकि हम उसे प्योर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सके। चलो, वेरी गुड। नाउ आई विल टेक सम फ्यू एग्जांपल एंड अगेन लेट्स प्रोसीड विद दैट। 1.34 से ही शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है? द फर्स्ट स्टेप वाज टू कन्वर्ट इनटू अ प्योर फॉर्म। तो हमने क्या किया, इसे what we did is we multiplied by 10, so this became 13.4. this is my equation 1. okay, this is the very first step कि ये प्योर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो गया, प्योर फॉर्म। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज, अब हमें देखना है, नाउ द लहर पार्ट, अब हमें देखना है, वी हैव टू सी दैट कितने नंबर्स रिपीटिंग हो रहे हैं। कैन यू टेल यहाँ पे कितने नंबर रिपीट हो रहे हैं? आफ्टर द डेसिमल कितने डिजिट रिपीट हो रहे हैं? नंबर ऑफ डिजिट रिपीटिंग, इट्स 1। वेरी वेरी गुड, 1 है, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हमें 1 इंटू 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, और बेसिकली 10 का जो जीरो होगा वो उतना जीरो होगा। अगर यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में 13.42 होता बार में, तो इसे हमको नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 2 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है। बेसिकली इट्स 10 to the power n, वेयर n इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रिपीटिंग डिजिट। ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ता हूं। कोई दिक्कत नहीं, अगर डाउट हुआ हम बार बार करेंगे, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, चिंता नहीं करिए। नाउ द फर्स्ट स्टेप वाज 10x इज इक्वल टू 13.4। अब हमने ये देखा कि नंबर ऑफ डिजिट रिपीटिंग 1 है, तो इसे हमें 10 to the power 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। तो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई अगेन बाई 10। तो क्या होगा, ये 100x हो जाएगा एंड दिस विल बिकम 134.4। ये बात, ये स्टेप क्लियर है कि नहीं किसी को, कोई डाउट? या फिर पूछना चाह रही हो कि 134.4 बार कैसे हो गया सर, यहाँ पे 2 4 कैसे आ गया, हाउ द सेकेंड 4 केम फ्रॉम? Is that the doubt is there like that, or you are clear why I put 1.134.4 bar? ठीक है, अगर डाउट हुआ तो भी ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो भी ठीक है। बेसिकली ये नंबर है क्या, इस तरीके से है। तो एक और 10 जब मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम लोग, व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग वन मोर 10 टू इट, ये डेसिमल यहाँ शिफ्ट हो रहा है और ये 134 पॉइंट अगेन 444 हो रहा है, जिसे हम 4 बार बोल सकते हैं। That's why it became this. This is the equation number 2. यहाँ तक clear है everyone? This kind of question, one of the 3 marks question, okay, which comes 3 marks question. थोड़ा सा इसमें 2 डिजिट रिपीट हो जाता है तो वो भी 3-4 मार्क्स के में आता है। Till here it is clear? Very good. Now ये हमारा है फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, ये हमारा सेकंड इक्वेशन। यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 minus 1. So let's subtract 100x is equal to 134.4 bar and 10x is equal to, मैंने इजी क्वेश्चन के जगह सीधा डिफिकल्ट समझाया है, ठीक है? इजी वुड हैव बीन मोर इजी, बट दिस इज माय स्टाइल, आई एम सॉरी। सो व्हेन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस, तो ये कॉमन पार्ट है, ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा। 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, this would be 90. 90x is equal to 121, x is equal to 121 by 90. This is in a rational form. This is a 3 marks question. A difficult question it is. A difficult question it is. I'll solve one more question, don't worry. This is why this is a rational number. This is why this is a rational number. Okay guys, let's go to a next question. एक और क्वेश्चन, कोई मुझे एक क्वेश्चन सजेस्ट करो यार, आप सब में से कोई, या फिर आप सब अपने हिसाब से एक एक क्वेश्चन सजेस्ट करिए। चलिए लेट्स सी यू कैन क्रिएट क्वेश्चन और नॉट। लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ प्रणवी। गिव मी अ क्वेश्चन, आपके मन में जो आ रहा है, जितना ज्यादा 2 डिजिट ज्यादा रिपीट मत करिएगा, बिकॉज दैट वुड बी मोर डिफिकल्ट। नॉट डिफिकल्ट यार, देयर इज नथिंग डिफिकल्ट, दैट वुड बी मोर टाइम टेकिंग टू सॉल्व। सो थिंक ऑफ एनी नंबर। वेरी गुड, आई लाइक, बट व्हाट इज रिपीटिंग हियर? इट्स अ टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर। टेल मी व्हाट इज रिपीटिंग हियर। Okay, you Leher and Vatsala, you also please give me some numbers. 345.6. If this is a number, it's a very easy question because it's just a pure form. Okay, let me see if other can give me number. Vatsala. Come on, give me a number. You guys are teacher now. Okay, Pranavi is saying, okay, Leher 0. Hey, Leher is smart, huh? He's choosing very easy question. इतना easy choose कर लो कि मैं solve कर लूँ, right? Wow. I'll give the, तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन मैं किसी और को दूंगा। I'll give that question to Pranavi and Pranavi का क्वेश्चन आपको दे दूंगा, ठीक है? Fine. 0.7 मतलब, चलो, let's take that as well. Vatsala. Okay, Vatsala has given to 1.3.77 bar. चलो, प्रणवी का क्वेश्चन मैं चेंज करता हूँ। सी हैज गिवन अ न्यू क्वेश्चन, बट किसी ने मिक्स नहीं किया है, सबने प्योर फॉर्म दे दिया है, राइट? सबने प्योर फॉर्म दे दिया है। 769.31। चलो दोनों को रिपीट करते हैं, ठीक है। नाउ फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द नंबर, किसने नहीं दिया? इनायशा ने नहीं दिया, फाइन। इनायशा लगता नींद आ रहा है, ओके चलो मेरे तरफ से इनायशा का क्वेश्चन मैं दे रहा हूँ। 125.213। चलो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ प्रणवी। नाउ प्रणवी स्टेप्स। सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या है? चेक करना है कि प्योर है कि मिक्स्ड है। So it's a pure form. We don't have to think a lot. X is equal to 769.31 bar. Now Pranavi. Okay, now Pranavi has to tell me, she has to tell me how many repeating numbers, repeating digits, which I am calling it as n. And that is what we have to multiply, 10 to the power n. Chalo. What is n here, Pranavi? Till then, you guys also find out the n. In Aisha, your question is this. How many digits are repeating, Pranavi, in your question? 2. Very good. Why question mark? Why question mark? You have to be confident. It's, you can see it, 2 digits are repeating. Okay, so you have to multiply by 100 to both hand sides. So it will become 100x is equal to 769, again 31.31. Clear till this step? Now what you have to do, this is 2, this is 1, Pranavi. Do 2 minus 1 and get me answer. Come on, get me answer until I get to Vatsala's question. 213.7 bar. So x is equal to 213.7 bar. So Vatsala, now it's your time. You are on a call as well. So what you have to multiply over here? What do you feel? Both inside.
10, I think.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Because there is only one number which is repeating. Okay. So 10 to the power 1. So this will become 10x and this will become 213.7 bar. Because 7 is repeating till infinite times. We are just getting 1 7. This is 2. This is 1. Come on. 2 minus 1. Get me answer. Vatsala. Your task. Now let's go to the third number. Leher. Leher question to solve करना इतना easy question है यार. Let's make it 717 Leher. Okay, I didn't understand 100x. Very good. 100 subtracting. Okay, which number? See, this number is second equation. This is number 1 equation. You have to subtract this minus this. This minus this you have to do. Okay. Now Leher, your time. Go ahead, Leher. What you have to multiply? X is equal to 0.717, where 17 is repeating. What you have to multiply? Or whether first step you have to see, hey, come on. After 10 for what? For converting mixed to pure. Okay, very good. If you are saying in that way, very, very good. Because it's a mixed form. ठीक है? Or even everyone, this number which I have made for Pranavi is a, Leher is a mixed form. We have to multiply 10 to make it a pure form. So 10x is equal to 7.17. This become a pure form, and which is nothing but our equation 1. Now, Leher, अब क्या multiply करना है? What we have to multiply now? What we have to multiply now? अरे वाह, very good. 100 into 10x. Very, very good. So this will become 717.17, which is nothing but my second equation. चलो इसको subtract करो अब. इसके आगे तुम्हारा काम है. Get me answer. Till Pranavi has come with her answer, and let's see whether she is right or not. If we subtract that, I'll go to the next screen, and 76931, right? Right. X is equal to 7. Okay, okay. Leher is copying this. Okay, fine. Let me do here. Let me delete something. Let me make a space, and let me subtract for Pranavi. Okay. So this is the 100 equation, and I'll write that x part. X is nothing but equal to 7. If you writing 769 here, you are wrong. Okay. So this is sometimes one of the big mistake which student does. अब हम चलते हैं इसको लिखने के लिए, and we have to write 769.31 bar. Eventually this will be cancelled. This will be 99x. This will be 2. This will be 6. This will be 1. Very, very good, Pranavi. Very good. And the rational number is 7616229. You have solved a 4 marks question, 3 to 4 marks question. Very, very good, Pranavi. Superb. Very, very good. Next question was for Vatsala. Vatsala, your answer. 2 minus 1 you have to do. Vatsala is 207 dot. Okay. X, instead of x, it should be 9x beta. You have to see, right? If you subtract this by this, let me make it here. Oh, I'm making it so dirty, but okay. It doesn't matter if it's dirty or good. It should be cleaner. So x is equal to 207. 207, it looks like correct or wrong. Let's check it out. Minus x is equal to 213.7 bar. Okay, so Vatsala, you did a blunder. The blunder which I was talking about before, just previous question. Okay. Can you subtract again? Now you are correct, Vatsala. It's 4. Again, the subtraction you have done is wrong, I feel. Let me do it for you. So this will turn out to be 4. This will be 2. This will be 121 minus 2 is 19. So this will be 1924 9x. Am I right or am I right? 192 for Vatsala. Check it, your answer again. If I am wrong, please tell me where I am wrong. Till then, I am waiting for Inaisha answer also. First. So Pranavi, what do you think? Vatsala answer is correct or not? Or wrong? I guess it's 1924 is coming. Multiply by 10 first. किस पे? इनाया साहब, आप अपना आंसर तो बताओ. अच्छा ठीक है, आपका आंसर 10. ठीक है, परफेक्ट, वेरी गुड. 10 प्लस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सबसे पहले वही से करना है. That will become the equation 1 and then go for equation 2. Okay. Vatsala, your answer should be x is equal to 1924 by 9. Okay. We'll go to Inaisa's question directly in the next slide. 125.213. 125.213. 125.213. Okay. 213. Oh. 213. ठीक है. सबसे पहले what C said, you have to multiply by 10 to make it a pure form. 1252.13. Okay, this is the pure form. And next, this becomes equation 1. Now what should we multiply again? Everyone, whoever is seeing this question, what should we multiply next? You have to see how many numbers are repeating. Very good, Inaisha. Good. Now we have to multiply 100 into x, which is nothing but, if here we multiply, we'll get 125.213.13 bar. Okay, which eventually becomes 1000x is equal to 125.213.13. This is the most difficult question CBSE can ask. Okay, there is nothing more difficult than this. Even they will never ask this also. Okay, this much long question. So this is equation 2. So equation 2 minus equation 1. So 10x is equal to 1252.13 bar. And then you have to subtract it up. 1, 6, 9, 3, 1, 2 is equal to 990x. So x will be equal to 123961 by 990. This is the rational number, p by q. Is it clear everyone? किसी को कोई डाउट है? प्रणवी, वत्सला, लहर, किसी को भी कोई डाउट है? कोई भी डाउट है पूछो, कोई भी डाउट है पूछो. कोई डाउट in Aisha? Pranavi has no doubt, but you have to practice a lot, okay, to make this as a perfection. ठीक है? Done? लहर, तुम्हारा आंसर आया क्या? लहर का आंसर आ गया था, राइट? सर डाउट विच नंबर टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, विच नंबर टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, मतलब विच नंबर टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. हाँ देखो, जब भी ये सेकेंड नंबर जब भी आता है, जो बड़ा नंबर हो जाता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, ये हमेशा बड़ा नंबर होगा. दिस वुड बी बिगर नंबर, दिस हैज टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. ये स्मॉल नंबर है. इवेंचुअली हमेशा x का वैल्यू यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव ही आना चाहिए. ठीक है, बाद वाले से पहले वाले को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, अगर वैसे समझना है तो. ठीक है, इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू इन अ राइट वे, it should be always 2 minus 1. Okay, the bigger one, where after when you do the multiplication of x, वो हमेशा सेकेंड नंबर होगा. ठीक है, that will be always second number. Clear? देखो, let's go to the next topic. प्रैक्टिस करोगी ना आयशा, एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी डाउट. आई डोंट थिंक सो एनी डाउट आएगा आपको. ठीक है, बेसिकली ये टॉपिक जो है वो थोड़े देर में, आई वुड हैव टॉट यू इन अ थर्ड फोर्थ क्लास, बट फ्लो में आया तो मैं पढ़ा दिया. ओके, नाउ वन ऑफ द, एक और बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन है. फाइंड रैशनल नंबर, suppose 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4. First of all, can you tell me how many rational numbers are there in between 3 and 4? How many rational numbers are there between 3 and 4? Come on, आपको नजर आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है? In Aisha, Infinite, anyone else? Vatsala, Pranavi. I'm sorry, I'm pushing every one of you, but sorry yaar, I can't help. That's the way I teach yaar. Infinite numbers, good. So let's write 3 here, let's write 4 here. ठीक है, अब किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे? What can they ask? 5 numbers between them, 7 numbers between them, 9 numbers maybe between them, 11 numbers maybe between them. These are the 4 possibilities which I am taking. Okay, there are infinite possibilities as well, but I am taking these 4 numbers. Now, if you have to find Any number, 31 upon 10, 32 upon 10. Okay, good, good. 1920, Lahar is saying 1920, 21, 22, 23. How 1920? पता नहीं, खैर ठीक है. Let's see. So now the best habit is what I am going to tell you. The best habit. Jitna number they are asking, whichever numbers they are asking, try to multiply the numerators and denominators with multiple of 5. And that multiple should be greater than the number they are asking. Should always be greater than the number they are asking. For example, in this case, they are asking, let me clean my space. In this case, they are asking 5 numbers. So for 5 numbers, what is the number which is greater than 5 and multiple of 5? Anyone? Which is the number, or what is the number which is greater than 5 and multiple of 5? 10. Right? 10. No, Vatsala. Even 10 is also a multiple, beta. 10, 15, 20, 25 is but the least one is 10. The closest one is 10. So we have to choose the closest one. Okay. You are saying 25, it's correct, it's not wrong. But we have to choose the closest multiple of 5, which is greater than the number they are asking. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So what we'll do here, it's 3 by 1, it's 4 by 1, we'll multiply by 10. Okay. In school, teacher would be saying you can multiply by, actually, to be very honest, you can multiply by any number greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any number. But why I don't choose preferably? Because sometimes multiply करने में mistakes हो सकती हैं. If the numbers are very bigger numbers, then the multiplication can give you a wrong answer. But a number of multiple of 5 or 10 will never make you a wrong answer. Okay, that's why I prefer choosing, and that's what I teach also. Multiplying by multiple of 5. And to be honest, I always choose multiple of 10. I always choose multiple of 10. That's the easiest one, right? So this becomes 30 by 10. This becomes 40 by 10. And interestingly, just the numbers which you can see from your eyes, you can find whatever you multiply, you will get one less than that. Means you'll get 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 35 by 10, 36 by 10, and so on, 39 by 10. So these are total 9 numbers which we visualize. What if I multiply by 100? No problem. There's no problem, not at all problem. If you multiply by 100, you'll get 99 numbers between them, which can be visualized 99. Actually, it's infinite, but visualized. Okay, 301 by 100, 331 by 100, 341 by 100. All these are rational numbers between two numbers. Now you can solve any rational number between two numbers. Any rational number. Your choice now. You can't do wrong if you follow this. Find 3 rational numbers between them. I've given some different type now. Let's see how many you can find. I always try to confuse, okay? So don't worry. Be prepared. How will you do now? I asked for 3. So now what you will do? So now the denominator is different, sir. What you didn't understood? Please tell me. See, when the denominators was same, if I say you 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, it's easy to multiply and find the numbers between them, right? Or the denominator part. Okay. So see, but you can always multiply any number to the numerator and denominator, any number. But I preferably choose multiple of 10 so that I get an easy number to understand. Okay, either you can go with multiplying by 10 approach or 100 approach. Your wish. Not, you are not wrong anywhere. Okay, some number came. In Aisha is saying 10 upon 21. Okay, 11 upon 21. Okay, so how you have done? Okay, to others, when the denominators are different, when the denominator are different, take LCM of them. Take LCM of them. As they both are prime number, it's 21, right? First of all, you have to make them with same denominator. Okay, to make it by same denominator, you have to multiply this by 3 into 3. You have to multiply 7 into 7. Is it clear till here? A number became 9 by 21 and 14 by 20. Okay, Pranvi, Vatsala, is it clear? Whenever the denominator are different, you have to take LCM of them. Now you can find out, you get 10 by 21, 12 by 21, 11 by 21. Now what if I want 10 numbers between these two? What if I need 10 numbers between these two? Multiply by 10. You'll get a longer numbers here, more numbers here. 91, 92, 80, and 101, 121, and it will keep on going. Okay, clear? So this is how you find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Chalo, one question now. Come on, find me. Give me two rational numbers between them. I'm asking very easy questions. Two rational numbers between these two numbers. Now there is an introduction of negative number. Now there is a negative number introduction. What is the answer? 7 upon 5 and 6 upon 5. Okay, 7 upon 5 and 6 upon 5. 7 upon 5 and 6 upon 5. Okay, using smart numbers, right? You can eventually you can see this around 12 numbers between them, right? Vatsala is minus 1 by 5. Very good. You all are correct, yaar. Why? Why are you all correct? What will I teach now? Very good. Very good. Everyone, very, very good. You all are correct. So 7 by 5 and 6 by 5. Okay. Basically, I have written the negative sign on the right hand side. Okay. I have written a negative line on the right hand side. But when you write, it becomes 8 by 5 and this becomes, this becomes negative 8 and this becomes positive 8. And you have minus 7 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 5 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, and all the positive parts of that as well. Okay. Very good. So it's 1 hour, and just tell me whether how you feel. Is it something I tried to teach you in a good way? And be very honest to me. If you say, sir, you bored us, tell me. I'll try to make it more entertaining, yaar. Okay? I'm pretty much like that kind of guy. Okay, I don't put stress on learning. I think so. I believe that everything can be understood, and maths is something which the mindset, it's all about the mindset, and that is what I am going to teach you, how to challenge the questions. Okay, easy questions. This is a mindset I want with you all. Medium. And the third is what? Any guesses? Except Inaisha. I guess Inaisha attended my class. She knows. So, what would be the third kind of question? What do you feel? What is the third kind of question? Come on, fast chat. Put in the chat. Or you can speak out. I guess you both have the voice connection. What is the third kind of question which you see in exams or schools or whatever you say? One is easy, one is medium. What else? Hello, anyone there? Mic testing. Hello, hello. Tough. Okay. I want you all to be with this mindset. There is no tough question in maths. Okay, the example I'll give you. Okay. So this is how they portray the tough question. Is it a tough question? Can anyone tell me the answer of this? You are in class ninth. That's it. So now tell me, is what very easy or not? This you will take around 10 seconds to solve. This might be 1 minute to solve. This 1 second. You have to crack the code. You have all questions comes in this way. Trust me, every question comes in this way. You just have to crack the code, and you are done. That's it. You are done. Okay. So finally, if I see for today's class, please tell me all your doubts. If you have no doubts, then I'll go on the next topic, and I don't want to stretch more. I feel like that's good for today. You have understood that you need to practice, so I'll give you some practice questions if you want. You got these things. I'll just go to one last topic, very short topic. Okay, the last topic for today. Okay, guys, last topic of today. Express 7 by 8 in decimal form. Okay, so now this is a long division method. Okay, it is a long division method. So when we do it up, 7 by 8, what we follow, as 7 is smaller than this, we have to put a 0, and decimal, we make it 0. Then again, what? 8 8s are 64. 6 decimal 0. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. 6 7s are 56. So 56 4 0. Again 5 8s are 40. Okay, so this is the decimal form. This is one kind of question which they generally ask in 1 marks or 2 marks sometimes, express something in decimal form. And also sometimes they give into a this way. I'll just take one question from this pattern, and you have to tell me now. 1 second. Chalo. Find last question for today. convert 1 by 7 into a decimal form and tell it is a terminating, non-terminating. If it's a non-terminating, then what kind of recurring, non-recurring? Okay. So you have to tell me. This is last question. Come on, let's do it fast. 1 by 7. I need the answer of decimal value. It will be something dash 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 something like this. Come on, that's the last question for today. The class will be recorded over there in the live stream. You can always go to the channel and see what I have taught for your reference. But yeah, but please, one thing again, don't make it a habit that yeah, sir will come and do a live stream and we'll see the live and we are done. Please don't do if you want to improve. Okay. I might not do live also. I will make it private, man. Not all the videos will be there. Most of them will be private. Only few videos will be there in the YouTube stream. Okay. So don't make a habit if you want to improve your maths. If you do it regularly, you're blown. 100% there would be improvement in your maths. I can challenge here. If you do it the way I tell. Very fast in Aisha. Good. Let's see from others whether you are right or not. Let's see from other. In the YouTube one, whoever is watching in the YouTube, please, you can also tell the answers. You can also do. So in Asha, I've removed your account from there, but you can enroll now. Okay. To the practice program. There is one question a daily. It's a free module. You'll get one question daily. But right now I'm not pushing into this. From maybe from Monday onwards, you guys have to do 5 questions a day in that thing. Okay. I'll tell you everything about that kind of practice program. But maybe you guys will start from next month, next week, because this week we are going to study a lot. It is non-terminating and recurring. Vatsala, are you doing? Pranavi, you are doing? Pranavi got 1.4, 0.14. Okay, good. Very, very good. Vatsala also. Okay, Vatsala got something else. 2.8. Aha. Let's check it up. 2.8 shouldn't come. Let's see. Let's just delete and let's just divide. चलो चलते हैं सबसे पहले 1/7 0.0 so 1 so first digit is correct 3.074 are 28 2.0 7 2s are 14 6.0 7 8s are 56 4.0 7 5s are 35 5 0 7 7s are 49 1 0 now the 10 came again the 10 came again it means it is going to repeat from here it is going to repeat from here so it means the answer would be 0.142857 upon bar very good guys school may like have you guys started this in school these things I guess yes but okay Fine, that's a good thing. Okay, Vatsala, no. Fine. But Vatsala, you can understand. Okay, you have holidays. You guys would be learning a lot. You will be like in school, you will be answering all these questions. See, this is how I improved my maths, to be very honest. I got for around 33 maths, but then I started doing beforehand everything. Okay. Just try to impress my school teacher that I know something. And I keep on doing that, keep on doing regularly, and that's it. I done. But for that, I had practiced a lot. A lot I have practiced beforehand. Superb. Okay, so as I said, this is my last question. So done for the day. So you guys can tell me if you have any doubts or if you want to know anything. We have time like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. You can ask any personal thing also that, sir, I have problems in these kind of questions. I have problem in geometric thing. I have problem in triangle thing. All those things. If you have anything in your mind, like related to studies, even if your personal problems, you can always ask me offline. Okay, but never get depressed from something like you are not getting marks in something or you are not getting, never ever get depressed in life, because it's just a start of life. Maths, I believe some people says girls are weak in maths, boys are good at maths. um, I believe that's just a sense of what do you say, generalization. But I feel the girls are more smarter, because their mental thing is in a different kind of way. That's why they feel sometime difficulty in maths. But again, that depends on the teacher who's teaching them. Okay, that's the very important thing I feel. If a teacher is not teaching with a good concept, all the basics, the more you climb the stair, the more difficulty it will become. Okay, so let's see. I'll just share my screen now. Okay, I'll go to the practice sessions. Okay, you guys can also visit that. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I'm pausing this. If you have any doubt, please do ask with me. I'll be sharing my screen. Let me go to my browser, Chrome tab. Where is it exactly? Is this the Android app? No, or yes, yes, Android app, live streaming. Yes, this is something. Yeah, perfect. I believe you can see my screen now. Okay, I've just shared the tab over. One second, let me share my screen again. Mhm. Can you see my screen, guys? Everyone? Okay, perfect. This is my website. The way I have improved my maths, I've just walked into this. Okay, the complete thing. Okay, you have to just log in into it and sign it up. Okay, to log in it up, put in all the details. Okay, you'll get into the login page and your dashboard will be there. Okay, it will create your dashboard and profile. So this is what your profile will be looking like. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to select your school. It's not mandatory, you can do anything. But the most important thing today, what we have studied is you have to select your class. You are in class 9, right? You have to select class 9. We have studied number system, so you have to select number system and put an apply into it. Topics, we have just covered, I guess, like this one, or the way all these things. The As soon as we complete or you complete in the school, you have to put a apply to it. Okay, and you select the number of question which you want. Basically, even if you're selecting this, it will not work, because this is a paid thing which you may have to purchase from next week onwards. But for the time being, you can always get enrolled into the demo class. Okay, a demo, the demo would be giving you one question a day. If you want to purchase it up, the pricing would be, if I can say you, it's less than 150 rupees per month. Okay, it's less than 150 rupees per month to practice that. Okay, and it will give you all your details. What are, see, this is the pricings, if you can see here. Okay, so the more you will be doing it up, the more better you will be become, for sure. And my practice sessions will, it follows here. So if you see here, the question came here: express the decimal as 0.4 bar in the form of p by q. Come on, answer this. What is the answer to this? Fast. Anyone can tell? Come on, solve this and we'll close the class. This is how you will get to the answers. And if you see the topics, there would be the topics for studying, right? The very basics things. In future, we'll be adding all the videos over there. A lot of things would be there, but for the time being, come on, get me the answer. Which option should I select? Which option should I select? Let's see who is going to do the fastest finger first. I'll make it 2 questions a day as a demo. Okay, but I have to think how it works. But generally the practice should be 5 questions a day, and that is how it will calculate your whole, what are your weakness, what are your strengths. And will, whatever you doubts, you can put all the doubts over in the doubt section. We will be answering you all the doubts. So this will be really helpful for you. Okay, even less than a pizza price, I feel like, right? We are trying to make it up in such a way that it covers everything. So maths will definitely be improved. Come on, answer. What's the answer? 0.4 bar. It's already in a pure form. Two by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, or 6 by 9. Okay, but don't feel that this is something which I am pushing on you. Okay, trust me, this is something which is, I feel, would be best for the people, because I have created this all. Okay, me and the Ruhani ma'am, we both have contributed. The questions mindset is all Ruhani ma'am, and I'm the person who has done something better. But this is not, I am pushing to you, it's not compulsory, guys. Okay, I'm not saying that, but using it will definitely make changes in your life. 100%. All the analysis which you will get will help you. Yeah, 4 upon 9. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else getting the answer? I just taught you the method. This is 1 marks question or 2 marks question. 2 marks, not 1 marks. 2 marks question to convert into PYQ form. If you're not getting, you can tell me, sir, please solve. But I don't feel that you can't get. This is the easiest question. We have done the tough ones. We have done the tough ones. So I feel this is very easy. I'm waiting for 2 more guys, Vatsala and Pranavi's answers, if they are getting the same or they're still struggling. Ooh, my power went away, but it doesn't matter. Vatsala 4 by 9. Good. Good, guys. Good. So I hope you have solved it and not guessed it, because solving is the key to it. Very good. Very good. So how it does, let's go to phone and save next. Okay, save the answer. So how this will work is basically, if you go to the enroll part, you can see all these things. Like you can see the questions, daily 5 questions. If you set it up, you will see all the 5 questions, and you will see how the solution hint also. Okay, you can see the solution hint. We don't give full answer because we believe that you are going to get something. You have to put your effort. Okay, you can see your analysis, like what are the topics basically which you are getting correct answers, what are your weakness, what are your strengths. Okay, and what is the time taken, everything, and overall analysis of this. I need from you guys that when you enroll in this, okay, try, if you can purchase, please do purchase. It will help you a lot, trust me. And I want this average days in a week shouldn't go less than 5 or 4 is the worst case, I would say. Okay, this is how it will calculate your efficiency, how you are improving in your maths, what are your marks you are getting, everything. And weekly analysis will do individually and will try to improve you all. Okay, in Aisha, Watsala, you got it, how this can help you. Okay, this is and trust me guys, please don't think that I'm selling this to you. Please, if you feel like selling this to you, don't purchase it, I don't care. Okay, I just feel like it will help you, and I'm damn sure it will help you. The book questions, go ahead, solve them up, but these questions are also focused on the concepts. It will cover all the main topics of your learning. Okay, so that's all for today's class, guys. I hope you enjoyed it up, I hope you loved it up. Okay, tomorrow we'll be discussing some more concepts of it. Okay, we'll be going on different topics as well, and then we'll be continuing with it. And yes, maybe the third class, which generally I'll start from next week, it would be close to around or Friday or Wednesday. I'll tell you on a impromptu way. And this class, the same class, will continue for 6 months, 7 months, completely free, guys. Okay, it will be a free class. Okay, I'm not charging at all. Okay, but I need you guys to be serious, please. If you are not going to be serious, then it would be waste of my time. I really want to help people, you, or anywhere in this world, to get. And that's why I kept even the practice paper pricing not as 500 per month or 1000 per month. I've kept it very, very simpler. Okay, and if you guys perform well, or just come regularly in the class, I'll definitely give you some percentage off as well. That's my promise. Okay, so I'll go ahead to the next thing. Next batch is around like 6 o'clock. So that's all for today, guys. Can you please, what do you feel, you can put into the chat how you felt about the class, and you can give me star out of 5 star. Okay, just don't give one is disappointing, man. Two will work. Two will work. But definitely you will be improving, you will be loving it up. Okay, and stress free, keep concentrating before the class. Come 15 minutes before, log in, you can share your doubts, you can interact with me. Okay, and try to drink some water and be concentrate. Okay, thank you for joining the class. I really appreciate your efforts, your time, everything. See you again, it was really fun, sir. Thank you, Vatsala. Thanks for your support, and I want, like, keep supporting, invite your friends, whoever wants to join the class, and just learn as much as you can. Okay, and I'll try my best to help you out. Okay, and nobody should tell that Emadmaths girls are not good at maths. Nobody can tell that. Okay, so we'll be doing that kind of effort. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. See you at tomorrow 4 o'clock. Bye bye.